Congratulations, we graduate.
Thanks a lot for always being with me.
You too.
I hope we are best friends forever.
Olo, what are you doing? I have got a notice that I will be a staff in Alexa Electronic Company. Amazing.
Wow, this is our wish. Congratulations, dear.
Call Linda, please. We'll have a big party tonight.
Okay, I know.
Congratulate Mark on your new job.
Congrats, dear my love.
Cheer, dream cup.
This is a famous restaurant. And of course, the food is delicious.
Will you marry me, Mariah?
Yes, I do.
Mark, I love you too. Do you know this? Why do you get married with Mariah?
Oh no, so crazy. I love Mariah, not you.
Mark must be mine. He must be my husband. I will separate him from Mariah.
Mariah is your best friend as well as she will be my wife.
We can keep silent, Mark. Trust me, please. I love you. I don't want like that. I can't stand seeing you with her.
No, you are crazy. I must leave now.
Don't go. Tomorrow, you are getting married to another girl. Please stay with me this night. Don't refuse me.
No, I can't.
Why? Why always be Mariah? You don't have a little sentiment with me, do you?
Yes, you said true. Mariah's my love, so stop doing crazy things.
Oh, did you sleep with me 2 years ago?
Shut up. That is an accident when we were both drunk.
I don't care. I will talk to Mariah about this truth.
What? Don't say anything for her. I will follow your request.
Okay, deal.
Wake up, Linda. It's almost 8:30 am. We have to go to the wedding center. Mariah has called me 50 times. She may be so worried. Hurry up.
You were perfect last night.
I don't think you are fascinated like that.
Of course. I must be better than Mariah.
Hey, my love, I am here. Yesterday, I was at the company. There was a deadline. I'm sorry.
No problem. Are you tired?
A bit. Thanks for understanding me. See you soon.
Yeah?
Mark must be mine. He must be my husband. I will separate him from Mariah. Sorry for being late, Mariah. Happy wedding. You are so beautiful in white.
Thank you.
I hate Mark. He steals the love, the heart from my best friend. You must be so happy.
Oh, why do you wear only one earring? Was the other one fell?
I don't know how it fell.
What a pity. They are your favorite earrings.
I'll try to look for.
Okay, let's do it.
May I come in?
Yes, please. Linda, why are you here?
I miss you. I am so happy to see you here.
Shh, keep silent.
Today. You are too handsome. But you aren't mine. I will scramble you from Mariah.
Don't say like that or I will hate you.
You are self-opinionated.